Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the repair, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber cloth, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. First, power down your HP Victus and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the back panel. Be cautious with the screws, keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Once the back panel is removed, locate the CPU board. You'll notice several screws holding it in place. Carefully remove these screws while taking note of their sizes and locations. If you're unsure, you can refer to the manufacturer's manual for a diagram. Next, gently lift the CPU board. Be careful not to tug too hard as there may be cables attached. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now, it's time to clean the CPU area. Use isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to remove any old thermal paste. This is crucial for optimal performance. Proper cleaning ensures the new thermal paste adheres correctly and improves heat dissipation. If you run into any issues during this process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify any underlying problems that may not be visible at first glance. After cleaning, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU. Spread it evenly for the best results. Then, carefully reattach the CPU board, ensuring all connections are secure. If you're feeling overwhelmed, keep in mind that we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, which means you won't have to worry about transportation. Rescrew the CPU board back into place, making sure not to over-tighten the screws as this can damage the board. Once secured, reattach the back panel and the battery. Before powering on the device, double-check that all screws are accounted for and that the panel is securely fastened. If you're not comfortable doing this alone, remember, no calls, no travel, just reach out for our services. Finally, power on your HP Victus and ensure it boots up properly. If you face any issues during startup, consider reaching out for a quote before repair. We provide transparent estimates so you can make informed decisions. This concludes the repair process for the CPU board on the HP Victus 15fa1010ns. Following these steps should help you successfully complete your repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.